Yeah, hello there. Today I like to demonstrate the twin ledge angle to you guys. This is a device where you can actually clean windows all the way up to the top without hitting the ceiling if you have an overhang. You can actually change the angle on this device. You can actually unscrew the nuts here and you can slide both sides up and down and set the right angle. You just have to try on the window and see where your position is from the building and how high the building is. So anyway, this tilts back and forth like this. So what you do, you put the washer on in one end and you put the squeegee in the other end. And this works in a way where you can both pull and push. So what you want to do here, you put the washer on and you can wash the window now all the way up to the top, up and down, up and down. And then when you're done, you can see now the washer is in the top of the apparatus, so you never hit the ceiling if you have a ceiling going out like this. So you wash the most surface on the window first, and then you push this up against the top frame and you wash the bottom. And now you can see you can get all the way down to the bottom frame too. And now when you're done, then the squeegee is in the top already. What you want to do with this device, you want to start cleaning windows as close to the building as possible. That way you can set this angle steeper. And when you walk backwards, you can see you walk away from the building and you get all the way down to the bottom of the frame. You can also turn the squeegee around and you can do the push method. And we're going to demonstrate that here in this at this resident here. Because what you can do here, you can actually clean windows downwards. You push downwards like this, and then you turn it over and you push the water forward. So it will be the pull and the push system. So this is how this device works, and as a matter of fact the only device on the market that nothing interfere with the ceiling. If you have an overhang ceiling, when you use a squeegee, the squeegee is always up in the top, and when you use the washer, it's always in the top. So that's how this works. We're going to do the skylights up here now so you can see how it really works. So see you a little bit later. Okay, here we are at the solar panels, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the washer on here, and then I put the squeegee upside down. So now we're going to do the push method, and that's specially made for solar panels. We're going to wet it first, and you know it's a little windy here, so what we're using is Glide in the water. That's a lubricant that will actually slow down the drying process, plus it gives you less friction. And this is the only lubricant on the market, because you need soap with it and you need our powder that goes with it. You see a lot of Glide names out there, but I came out with this 1995. So we are the original Glide guys, as you know. So now you turn it over, and then you just push it forward, and the Sörbo squeegee doesn't need any pressure, so you can just about let it slide by itself. And then you go over here and do the second pass. There we go. Clean as a whistle. Now what we're going to do, we're going to do the next one. Have to extend the pole. The last panel down there we can do from the bottom, but there's no roof down there, so you actually have to do this from the top here. I hope my cameraman doesn't fall down from the roof there. I have to walk. Okay, so we wet that one, and we show you like the start and the finish. There we go. And one more. There we go. of pulling instead of pushing. That's another way you can do it when you're on an awkward position. Wonderful. If you don't have another method of doing it, this will work. And just remember to get the right chemicals in your water, like the Sörbo powder and the Glide will do the job. So see you on the roof sometimes. Bye bye.